Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. Candidly, I wish there was a more auspicious presenting of this app, but we are kind of stuck with the circumstances in which we are in. So, in short, I had been working on an application for folks' smartphones to provide more convenience with respect to the immigration process as well as documentation associated with maintaining one's status lawfully when in a foreign country. Now, this app, in my mind, is for broad usage. It's not Thailand specific, but obviously based on our location and our client base, we're hoping that this will be used. We can beta test this app, or at least certain functionality of it, with folks here in Thailand, especially during this sort of shutdown period, and we can get some feedback on how it's working and hopefully sort of streamline it as time moves forward. But long story short, we're going to go ahead and put up some slides from the website here so you can sort of see how it looks. Basically, the way that the app works is, and again, in better travel conditions, this would be a much more functional, feasible app for most folks. But I do think it is useful for expats even here in Thailand right now. So when you come into a country, what the app actually allows you to do is you go ahead and take photos of all your visa documentation. That is securely uploaded to the cloud. That cloud is maintained by Google Cloud Services, and it's firewalled. Everything is about as secure as it can be. And then if something happens, if your passport is lost or stolen, you can request that we return that documentation to you either in hard copy or soft copy format, so at least you have proof of your status in that foreign country. Meanwhile, another function of the app is what I call sort of the visa alarm, wherein it allows you to go ahead and put in the information pertaining to your visa status. So when your visa ends, so the expiration date as well as entry dates, etc., and the app will calculate up alarms to alert you with enough time to deal with things like visa extension or 90-day reporting, etc. So we've invented this app, and I've tried to create this to be something of a convenience for folks out there. We hope you find it useful, and we are certainly happy to hear feedback, even critical feedback, although we'd like it if you'd kind of keep it as positive as you can, as we certainly deal with a fair bit of negative feedback in the comments of this channel. But we're certainly open to hearing feedback on what you think. Again, the app is the Immigator app. It can be found on the App Store. It can be found on Google Play. You can go to immigator.com to find it, and we hope you find it useful.